sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. All right. Black flag warning. Black flag event incoming. Black flag event incoming. I must send out text messages. If you're part of the Black Flag protocol, you know what that means. Well, TP1 would have been smashed right here already. I hope I'm not being greedy trying to get to the next one. That was shitty. Really shitty. That happened actually. Because this is where your TP should have been right there. This first ladder level. See? Just hope I'm not being greedy here. Oh, I might have been being greedy. Oh, I might get smacked in the face on this one. No. Oh, no. Look at that rebound. No. I mean, I'm just going to the levels, man. Just go on to the levels. Oof. You know? That's a different color. Oh, my goodness. The fucking wicks. They are brutal. Good God. Dude, this thing is bounced all the way back up. Oh, man. I hope I didn't fuck up and not take the profit at that one. That's a... No, go back down. You'll be fine. Go on down. I mean, because if they get in this little range where they bounce inside of these ladders right here, this is what would happen. So I hope that isn't what goes on. Fuck, I should have closed it when it hit the damn zone. I should have just put my TP where it's supposed to be. Instead of trying to go for this other ladder here. Oh, man, they are really pushing it. Fuck's sakes. What did I do to myself? Oh, no, sir. Chunk on back down. Oh, I think I fucked myself over. I think I did. No. Man. That's some hardcore buy-in, dude. Right off the ladder, right here. Boom. Last 2 minutes of this fucking 30-minute candle here. Why didn't I take the TP at the ladder? That's the rules. I broke my own rules, and then I'm about to suffer for it. That was a good chunk of change right there. Here I am trying to hit a home run instead of just take the base hit. Let that be a lesson. You got to be fucking kidding me, dude. They have bought this all the way back up. All you people out there that all you know how to do is buy dips, you're going to get fucking wrecked this year. I'm just letting you know. We are bearish. And I don't think it's changing. Jesus. Man, I can't believe that just happened. Straight the fuck back up. Into fucking drawdown. Holy shit. I deserve to lose this one. Yep. Level to level, right? Dummy. Wow. I'm about to take a full stop loss on this. You dummy. You've got to be kidding me. I was up like 260 ticks and didn't close it in this ladder. And it bought straight all the way back up. Wow. I'm probably just going to call it a fucking day. I don't. It's so stupid. Why you trade level to level? I can't believe that just happened. Look at this right here, man. Look at that, dude. That is so. Just makes you want to kick things. Just a second chance. I'd make it a 3-bar on 5 minutes. That'd be cool. And this market will test the fuck out of your psychology. I promise that. Yeah, pre-market's been better than in market, I think, recently. I think fucking everything's been better than US session lately. Like a bloodbath in US session. I mean, it's a bloodbath everywhere right now, but at least outside of the session, it's like not just fucking ATR isn't insane where you can't even put risk on because I mean you can, but you gotta risk low just because the ATR is so high. Like I'm more apt to slam on um high risk during fucking overnight session right now than I am US session. Actually, honestly, that's what I've been doing. Been trading micros during US and minis at night. Been working out. Let's see if we can't get some continuation of this right here. Hate that damn label thing there. I just want to see that one candle. Oh, I forgot to send a screenshot. Oops. What is up? Oh yeah. Working out good. Boom, boom, boom. Right. We can continue, get this continuation. Or is it going to wick back up again? Hopefully it just drops really hard. And I can just let it run. But they're already trying to buy it again. Everybody's like, oh, they shoved it up yesterday. We're bullish again. Not really. They made money yesterday off of a tweet. That's what they did. I am going to cut two at the ladder level though. I'm not going to get bonked in the head again on that. Learned my lesson there. And just leave the last one as a runner, see if it runs down. If not, whatever. Come on, get it. Oh, it didn't take it. Oh, it touched it. What the hell, man? Well, maybe it didn't. No. Drop. Hit it. No way. They're fucking buying this up right now already. No. You've got to be kidding. You can do it. You're kidding me. They're doing it again? No way. No way. It literally one ticked me from taking profit on the two, and now they're buying this fucking candle again. Jesus, dude, this is horrible shit. Is what it is. This is shit. Literally one ticked me. away from my TP. They're buying it up again. Oh, love it. You gotta love it, man. We're on a new 15. Let's see what the fuck it does. God. There we go. We get another chance at a TP swipe, maybe. It literally one ticked it. Look at that. Look at that. One tick. One tick. Come on. You can do it. One tick. Come on. Good God. They just keep buying it, dude. They're absorbing it. I know the second I close this, it's just going to slam down. Never fails. But if I don't close, it'll run straight up. That was a chunk. Another chunk down. Kind of good. The fight is real, man. There is a battle going on right here. I just need a little, you know what I mean? Then I can go break even, let the other one run. If it goes, if it goes. If it don't, it don't. But at least hit this fucking TP. Holy shit. Right there. Just do it. I'm about to close it. This 15 goes bullish in any capacity. I'm closing it. Matter of fact, I'm just going to put my stop right above the fucking wick of it because that would cause it to be bullish. Right there. It's being closed if it goes bullish. I'm not letting it run up again. I'm going to get a new 15 in 2 minutes. It just won't let me have my TP. Just won't let me have it. It's crazy. Look at this shit, dude. It literally was one tick away right here. Fuckers. Come on. Come snap it. Come touch it. Touch it. Touch it. 40 seconds left on this candle. Yeah. Okay. Gonna flip bullish. Not gonna do it. Yep. There it goes. It will not complete. Not my thought. Watch it dump now. Oh well, whatever. The win. Should have taken profit the first time it came down there, like, you know, right here. When and look at that. All the way down, all the way back up, all the way down, and then one ticked me on hitting it. See that? Pricks, dude. Market makers are pricks. That's oh well, that's just sometimes what you get. So I'm not mad. I just had like 150 ticks. That's good. Enough. I have green across the board. I'm not upset about nothing. But now we gotta wait for another setup to form, and that'll probably be after the open. Who knows? Who knows? I'll be right back. And there we go. Full TP would have been hit and it's still running. That second you leave, they fucking do this to you. See this shit? Goodness. Oh man. Full TP, that TP would have been smashed. It's probably going to come all the way down to my second one. See if I can't find another entry, I guess.
What up, man? That is a serious drop right there. Hello? Hello? There you go.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I was in from up here. It came down. I had my TP here. Went all the way back up to my entry. I was like, okay, I'll put a TP, 2 contracts close right here. Comes down, misses my close by 1 tick, goes back up. I get trailed out right around here, slams back down, and now it's running to TP2.
Okay.
Yeah, you just can't make this shit up, dude. It's whatever. I'm green. What the fucking was? I'm green.
Right.
So
Now it's running to TP2.
yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna head all the way back down to where it was in the middle of the night.
Yeah, everybody's buying because they go, oh, look at yesterday. And it's like, no, man. That was a
That's over.
they use that to make money on a tweet. That is nothing. That's not real. People just can't fathom the market can go down.
Yeah. Well, it's going down.
Yep. I'm gonna try and find an entry here, but I don't know. I don't know. Mm-hmm. It's just annoying when you get it right and then it just fucking does shit like this to you. And you even hold most of it. You hold through all of it, and then you're like, ah, fuck this, I'm trailing it. And then it comes down anyways. Aggravated.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, exactly. Wind it up so it can dump some more.
Yeah. Yep. Gotta wait. Got to wait. Nobody wants to wait. They want it right now. Yep. 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 Yep.
And installing Claude work computer.
I'll use it, but I ain't ever put none of that shit on my PC on like an app. The web browser is good enough. No fucking way. Huh? No
Well, I think it's
way.
calling your PC for information.
No, but like it can take control of it.
Yeah, it's a work PC.
True.
They don't want me using this shit. So they don't have to hire any more people. And eventually they'll learn everything I do and then they won't even have me around.
Yeah, you're training your own removal. for your own
Yeah, but if I don't
replacement.
do it, someone will, right? Like it's the same problem that all the
Yeah, we deserve to be just eradicated from the earth. We're pathetic. That's just the sad truth.
we yeah, we're doing it to ourselves, that's for sure. We deserve everything we get.
Yep.
Because the people who don't want it or who want it differently aren't standing up to the people who are just shoving everything down everyone's throat.
Oh no. No, because fear. They're fearful. It's the old saying, man. Weak times, um, or strong times make strong men. Weak times make weak men. Or no, strong. What? Wait, hold on. No, what is the saying? What the fuck is it? It's
hard times make hard men.
yes, and easy times make weak. Yeah, it's the truth. They would have. So a lot of the shit that's going on in the world right now, like during the Great Depression or after a depression or something, it would never fucking happen. People were so hardened by then, they'd be like, eh. That's like you hear the stories of like when soldiers came back from war and they found out that like the local cops and authorities were rigging elections and there's all kinds of corruption going on and they were abusing the citizens in a lot of towns and shit. Because all the men were gone, they were all fighting a war, and then they came back, and there were fucking just straight up battles between cities and soldiers, dude. All the veterans came home and said, fuck this. And literally went to battle with them, man. Like straight up fucking firefights, guns fights, and everything. And there's plenty of cases where that happened that they basically just stopped it right in its tracks, and the state were so embarrassed by it happening. They didn't even fucking say anything. They just let it happen. There's a couple of those fights that are well documented. And it was against the local governments, local sheriffs, shit like that. They were all corrupt as fuck. The veterans came around and said, nah, not anymore. Yep. Like they were running around and just finding people. You're drunk. You've been drinking and driving, and they haven't been, and shit like that, you know. And the fucking sheriff you were literally paying the sheriff money to not be in jail and shit like that. And yeah, veterans came home and said, what the fuck is going on? Took up arms against the government, dude. That's where people aren't pussies.
No, I mean, I guess, once you've been through the hells of war, especially the wars, back then was even crazier, I think.
Oh, it's all fucking, it's all guerrilla. It's all grunt, fucking hand to hand, or pretty much trench to trench. You know,
right.
Like you're clearing out towns on foot with your little fucking pea shooters.
Bayonets.
Yeah. And come home and find out that
the sheriff in some town isn't real scary at that point.
Yeah, no, there's no. I mean, it's not scary anywhere. I mean, I don't want to say I'm not inciting any type of violence, but I'm saying if there was something that bad going on in your town, there's way more of you than them.
That's right.
Yeah, so. Anyways. But now we let judges overrule fucking presidents. So. Odd. I think one of them just got fucking indicted, one of the judges. Got, something happening. Something's going on with him. Bro, this is going to go all the way down to my second TP. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's looking like it.
Fuck. It's not giving me another entry either. I'm trying to, but I'm not going to front run it. I just can't do it. I'm already green on everything. I can't fucking risk anything like that. Stupid. Rookie ass shit.
Yeah, right. Take the money and run. Today's that's the end of today.
Bro, I filled up everything last night. That was a
Yeah, you've been
icing
having
on the
pretty good
cake.
Asian stuff.
I mean, the breaks have been they're clear as fucking day, dude. On during Asia, they are, man. I'm telling you, when you swap to just using these value charts, dude, this shit's fucking easy as fuck. Man. I don't even. I'm just like whatever. Oh yeah, broke it. Click. Your risk your stop goes above value right here, right? And you make sure you use proper risk position sizing to meet whatever you're willing to lose. And then you just fucking let it go. I went in 100 ticks and draw down on this trade, and I didn't give a fuck, dude. Because my validation's up here. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Whatever happens, I want you accept the outcome when you get into the trade. That's it. You can't accept the outcome when you enter a trade. Don't enter the fucking trade.
Well, that's the way it's gotta be.
Because when you start fucking micromanaging the shit out of it, you're always cutting yourself short. You always will.
But that was the trend line that you drew before the break?
Yeah.
From the bottom of that
Yeah.
little dotted line that I see?
Yeah. Yeah, it came up and touched. It came up and touched this and dropped down. Now I had my trend. I had a trend.
Right.
I mean, this one was valid too, but I wasn't up that fucking early. See, but this was a green breakdown, so I don't like that. I like this is a good one, red breakdown, and
Oh, you don't like that because we're under, right?
yeah, that means price is under the zone. So, this is your entry. Your stop is above value, and there you go. Really that simple.
Yeah. Pretty straightforward.
And that's a 2.76 RR. I mean, that's good. Go into futures channel. Look at what Irwin's been doing, man. I thought he was like a long time experienced trader, and apparently not. That's his first eval pass ever, and he did it with the FLB doing these value breaks. Look at he's posted every trade he's
been
done.
having some excellent trades.
He's just fucking following his system, dude. He's not fighting it. He's not hesitating when it fucking does what it's supposed to do. He just does it. And look at him, he's pulling out like 6, 7 RR trades and shit. There's a 12 point something he said he got. There's a 3, but that's the trade that passed his take profit trader account. 4.19, like all of them, dude. He's just doing this right here. Click. Simple. Stop making it so hard. Not easy. Easy. Everybody makes it hard and they want to make it complicated. And then just human nature is people they want, when something doesn't go right, they want someone to blame. So if something's easy, they don't want to do it because they can't blame someone else if they fuck it up.
That is an interesting theory right there.
It's well, I'm just basing it on experience.
Well, I know, but you know what? It goes the other. They can't have it both ways, right? Like when they're trying to use it.
Everybody wants their cake and eat it too, my friend.
Yeah, that's true. That's 100% true. Look at this fucking retracement.
Yeah, of course. It's going to give me an entry, I hope. Get in, go down to the next one. I don't know. We're getting real close to 9:30.
Yeah.
I like the open now. The trend breaks on the open or the value breaks on the open are fucking amazing. Like instant win. I gotta get a drink of beer back.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to jump off. I got a 9 o'clock. They keep scheduling these fucking meetings during trading time.
What do we got? Oh, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boo, 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 boo. Are you going to give us an entry? Yeah, maybe.
Jump off soon. We got 9 o'clock. You keep scheduling my meetings during trading.
How dare they?
Best.
How dare they do that to you? Dum-dum-dum. Have you checked out the Trade Shield add-on yet?
Dude, I didn't. I haven't been using any of the automation.
What is this? It's not for automation.
Oh, I know it's for Digitrader. Can I find this fucking thing, dude?
What thing?
There's a chat. Like, this company has so much turnover in it, dude. It's crazy. So
What's funny, what I find funny is nobody's trying to use it. Nobody is trying to be held accountable to trade in the direction that you should be trading in, and nobody is wanting to have tilt protection and shit like that.
you mean no one? No. I don't know. Stop it.
I'm gonna start removing subscriptions and banning people for it. They're gonna find out real quick. But they can go play with ICT if they don't want to jump on board. Not fucking Burger King.
I am gonna install Trade Shield and be accountable. I gotta jump on this.
Have fun with your meeting, my friend.
Pause. I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Come on. Not a valid fucking setup though. What sucks about this? We need at least two zones there. But it's so beautiful looking. It's 9 o'clock. Oh, God, I want to take this so bad. So Damon, do you know why Ferrari and Bugattis and Lamborghinis and shit won't allow people to work on those cars, right? Because there's a brand. I think I'm gonna just throw a couple contracts on this and see if we can hit it. Just really light risk here. See if it works out. But again, to what I was saying is there's like if you buy a Bugatti and you wreck it, you can't work on it yourself. You can't buy parts for it. You can't just fix it yourself, right? You can't do anything yourself to it, really. You can't even change the brakes. I don't even think you can change the oil. Because they want the brand to be protected and not have any chance whatsoever of this is gonna fucking smack. Any chance of anything happening to the brand by someone doing something wrong or whatever, and then the car doesn't work right or fucking whatever, any reason like that. Just protecting their brand. And the same thing here. People come in here expecting a buy, sell, easy, don't have to put any thought or effort into it, and then they bitch when they don't follow the system and blame it on the system that they're not making money. It's like, well, I've never even heard of you. I've never seen you in the Discord, and I've never even seen you I'm asking questions or anything. So that means you just came in here and just click, 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 and then, oh God, I didn't make any money, and then you fucking go talk shit. That's going to stop because if you don't use Trade Shield, you can't use the system anymore. That's what's going to be. Yep. That's what's going to happen. Yep. Wow. They really just retraced this hard as fuck. Glad I went light on it. They're running this 30-minute candle right back up. Like, well, life happens. Man, looks like that value area worked, huh? That's kind of crazy. It worked for a minute. That sucks. Yeah, that really sucks. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Look at that. Must have something to do with value zones. I don't know, man. Look at that stop loss. I was like, perfect. Just like the last trade. I'm going to start putting fucking sell limits up in here instead of entering. That's what I'm going to start doing. Once it breaks, put a sell limit up there. Catch the top. Come on, you little bastard. Drop. Don't you do that shit. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yippity yip yip yip. Let's go. Boom 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 boom. Bong bong. Bong bong bong. Bong bong. Bong bong. Hey Damon, you there? Hello? Don't you do this to me again, you motherfrickers. Don't you do it. Don't you go back down there and tap that. You see this shit again? You see this again? Go down there and hit my TP. What are you doing? How much more convincing do you need to follow the program, Damon? Yes, swipe the low and I think you did not. That's kind of shitty, I think. I got jokes. What I got? What jokes? No, I'm just saying, like you're new here, and I'm trying to show you this shit fucking works, dude. Doing it live in front of you, streaming it to you. This is no edited bullshit fucking videos where you see Mr. Guru out there with his amazing trades that he YOLO'd into 15 times before he finally got a trade. Now he can make a video about it. I'm pretty sure that I just like got fucking fucked on this trade right here. Again, just like the last one. Like these people buying these dips so hard like that are crazy. There's no way I'm buying this shit. Man, this is a really bad, this is a hard decision to make here. Does this fucking go right back down like the last time, or is it gonna just float around again? Yes, swiped the low and NQ did not. Son of a bitch. That's so annoying. It's aggravating. They keep doing this shit. I'm about to cut this. I missed the TP by a couple ticks again. For fuck's sakes. Son of a bitch, dude. Are you fucking kidding me? 2 times in a row they did this shit. Just straight buybacks. Picking me on my take profits and then ripping it right back to entry. But are they going to crash it right back down again? What's the chances of that happening 2 times in a row? Probably slim to none. Do 5-minute candles about a form. That's kind of tell us what's going to happen here. I think got 50 seconds left on it. Almost like they're trying to protect London's low here before it even gets to it. We swiped Asia's low again. Barely done that earlier in London. New 5-minute in 1 second here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully straight crash down and pump. For fuck's sakes. See if this 5-minute comes bearish. If it does, I'll leave the trade alone. If it doesn't, I'm going to close it. So far, it's bearish. 15 is bearish. That's not good. 23 minutes to the open. Don't really want to be in this at the open. Let's go, Mr. Treaty Trade. $10 to the open. Hopefully this completes before then. I really don't want to be in it at the open. They could sweep this all the way up. What is the R on this one right here? 2.8. That's not bad. We'll change you. Oh God, stop. The 2 would be right there. $9 to the open. Come on, finish. Just hovering right here. I don't like that. Yeah. Seven minutes to the open. This 15 minutes dojing. That's kind of shitty. Right before the open. Oh, sucks. Oh, come on, man. Really? You could do it, Nazi Dacky. Drop. Six minutes. If this 15 is going to doji out, this trade's not going to complete by 9:30. I'm going to have to close it because they could sweep the living fuck out of this. And I'm not going to suffer a loss for it. Oh, man. Yeah, that's fucking retarded. I'm out of this. Yep, I tried. I'm not going to hold it. It's just getting too bouncy, and I'm not going to suffer a loss right before the open. So that's it. Watch it dump. But whatever. I'm not going to risk it. Risk it for no biscuit. Yep. I don't. Yeah, you're right. I don't want to be in it during that. If it was going to sweep down and just finish real quick, cool. If not, not worth it anymore. Plus, ES swept the low previous, or swept the low, and NQ did not, and it's fighting it. So see what happens. Watch it fucking dump all the way though, right at the open, straight to the TP, and I'd be like, just. But it's not worth the risk at that point. There's no reason to be in the trade. Right that opened. Too many times it'll just whip, 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 whip. There it goes too. Look at that. There it goes. 2 minutes to the open. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Probably a dunk, dude. Unless it fades. Yep. See, there it goes. Ah, man, that's twice they've done this to me. Yep. Yep. It's okay, man. I'm green. I'm good. Like, I'm not gonna let a trade lose. Know that. I'm gonna try my best anyways. Sometimes shit just gets out of your control, right? But never out of control. Never. What do you mean I got jokes? What am I joking about? What's the joke? I don't know what he's talking about. Jokes. What jokes? I make jokes. Oh, banning people? I'm not joking. It's serious. I'm building an elite group of traders here. They don't want to be part of that group. Adios. Click. Click. The brand will be elite. Period. When people talk about it, they'll be like, man, I wish I could get into that. Especially Black Flag Protocol. They'll be like, what's that? Yep. The first rule about Black Flag Protocol is we don't talk about Black Flag Protocol. Yeah, I know. What's up, man? Dad just talking. Yeah, I know. Watch it. It's not worth the risk right before the open, man. They could sweep this up 100 points, dude. You know what I mean? Like, I closed. I'm not gonna fuck with it. See, look at it. See? I mean, it didn't hit stop loss. That's my exact entry and stop loss on there in TP. So we'll see what it does, but it's not worth the risk at the open. Not. It's already elite. Hell yeah. Oh, there's another there's even a more elite side to this stuff, Saj. Called the group is called the Black Flag Protocol. And it is a you don't even want to know, my friend. You don't even want to know. Oh, see, there you go. And now you know exactly why I got out right before the open. They literally pumped it 75 points right to the stop loss. There you go. See? Safety. Safety first. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Oh my God, I'm the #1 trader on YouTube. I trade the bull and bear flags. Yeah. Okay. Keep trading them bull and bear flags, my friend. Keep doing it. And caps are good, yes. The Black Flag Protocol is an elite scalping group inside of the Hunters Club that is open to very few and select. And it is you must be already profitable, and you must have an account set to the side that is used for nothing but that trade, because it happens 2, maybe 3 times a month if we're lucky. But is a full port max risk trade that if it wins, just imagine a 150K account with max contracts all the way with a TP on a funded account with no consistency rules. That's the type of shit we like. And I have a alert system set up for it. It's warning, watch, warning, and imminent. You better be on, ready to go when it says warning. Usually you got like 3 minutes by then. Fair value gap? The fuck? Fuck that fair value. Boom, boom, boom. Fair value gap. And there is one. There's a 30-minute one. There's a 15-minute one. There's a 5-minute one. They're all there. Well, yep. But what? We just swiped London. So are we going to reverse and go up now? Oh, I hope not, because that would make this a rotational day. For the second time, we will be rotating the open, and I don't fucking want to do that because that will cause me to have no setup until like later in the afternoon. I would rather get it all knocked out right now. Right now. Yes, ICT is bullshit. Very cultish. I even had I got an argument with one guy next the other day about it. He's like, yeah, we are a cult. I'm like 1 or 2 out of 100,000 of you actually are profitable. That's not a very good fucking like statistic. And they're not even doing the true ICT shit. They're using all kinds of other methods and just using some portions of what this fucking weirdo tried to say he created, that he coded the algorithm. Then why don't you have a fucking bot that knows exactly how to trade it and be fucking a bazillionaire? Mr. Michael, that's what I want to know. How do you not already have a bot where you're not a bazillionaire? If you coded the algorithm for all markets for all across the world, how many markets are there? Every country has their own. And multiple different markets. They have their stock markets, they have their futures markets, they have their forex markets. They have like this. So every country in the world said, yes, yeah, you could be the guy that comes and tells our prices what to do. That make any fucking sense? How are people so gullible? Like, what the fuck? Yeah, here we are. It has swept it, and now it's going to drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Look at that. There's your listening wedge. What would be our risk here? 2 would be 178-ish with 300. Give me a trade. I'm going to go for this, I think. I really want to see it break down, but it's happening so fast that if I don't, we won't actually fucking get to it. So let's try it. Fuck it. All right. Risk is above value. Take profit as at the next zone. $101.50 is a really important number. 124, 101.50. Yeah, delusional. I just think I think the guy's probably just a fucking, he's just found a way to like milk money from people, man, and he just ran with it. The funny thing is he went and traded all the Robbins Cups and stuff and fucking like lost his ass. Like none of his shit worked when he's having to do it live. You know what I mean? And it's like he lost like 90% of his capital. It's like, whoa. That right there should have been enough for everybody to go, yeah, this is bullshit. But people still were like creating fucking excuses for him. He has me blocked on everything. Little old me. Oh. I mean, just seriously, I literally just live streamed 3 executions that all of them have won. Like, well, this is the third. Let's see if this wins, right? Like, I mean, I don't know. You're like all these fucking gurus out there. They don't do this shit. They execute off screen until trade's finally winning, and then they'll throw it on a screen and say, "Oh, look at what I did, guys." You know, because they're using profit accounts, and then they're fucking have 20 accounts going and below 10 to get a good entry to finally go, look, guys. And then they'll get resets. Dude, I've been offered free resets from prop firms before. Hey, do you want any resets and so you can YOLO trades? It's like, no. Are you sure? Yeah, I don't fucking want that shit. And they're like, well, are you trying to promote the firm and everything else? I'm like, yeah, we're crossing London right now. We might get some fucking straight up hardcore retraction on this. My finger's on the close button. Keep crashing. Keep crashing. Sorry, there's jets flying around outside. If you knew how many accounts I was trade copying right now crossed over to minis, you'd lose your fucking mind. By the way, all these little YouTuber fucking guru fuckers don't have a fucking chance if they ever. One guy was like, "Show your broker statements," and I'm like, "Bro, I'll tell you what, man. Be careful what you wish for, dude, because I'll take every fucking person you have in your audience if I did that shit." Yeah, I'm out of this. Closing it. Out. We crossed London. Yep, look at that bounce, dude. Yep. He's like, what do you mean be careful what I wish for? I was like, bro, if I showed my shit, man, you wouldn't have an audience to buy your prop codes anymore. Prop firm codes. Look at that bounce right back up. See that? You got to be careful when you hit these key levels because there's something's going to happen. There's a bunch of stop losses there. There's all kinds of shit going on. It might continue going down, but you never know. It might just rip right up. We are scalpers, so gotta be ready. Look at that. See that, dude? Oof. That was easily would have been all the way back up to my entry. Easily. Fuck that. Fuck that. They changed the algorithm just because. Yeah, he did. I remember when he was bitching during the tournaments. He was like, "They're hunting my stop losses or some shit," and it's like, you're on a demo account. You're not even in the market. What do you mean they're hunting your stop loss? How can you? You don't even have orders on the books. So stop loss hunting? No. Hey, but I want you guys to go look at where this ticked, and it ticked. Boom. I want to just. Oh, we should just start a. Well, this was a good open. I just, man, that's 3 for 3, dude. I might just fucking call it a day till this afternoon. So 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Wah wah wah. I'll make a little video about these trades real quick so that people can see the thoughts behind them. You know, the value breaks. Value breaking, yeah. And it did end up hitting. Well, no, it didn't. What am I thinking about? It was down here. My take profit wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I closed right here. Which was a good close. That was a good call because look at how it ripped right up. Got to be careful around the key levels. The dots. Are you there? Did you miss this? Probably. It's not a little work call. The dots was the first person I ever mentored. I still mentor, but I'm saying like, come in and now he posts, I don't know, 20K a month in payouts. You have to go add them up, but it's about 20K a month in payouts. Right, the dots. Where the fuck are you at? Tell them people at work that you don't need them no more. Okay? Tell them to go to hell. Just joking, don't do that. You tell it's really true. Oh yeah? Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, Beth is doing good, man. She I remember when she first came around, she was so timid and just like scared to enter. Everything was like, she was scared as fuck. And then she just started just doing the shit. Well, she joined the mentorship, the scalping mentorship, and then there are 1v1 one-on-ones and stuff, and they've been helping her since, and she's doing good. Passed her first eval. But that's cool. Hell yeah. She's promoting TikTok on TikTok. Yep. She's doing good. She needs it, man. Got kids and shit and everything else. And needs to make a bunch of money. Yeah, you're done for the day. Yeah. I mean, fuck, dude. I don't even. I mean, I'm good too. Like everything's green across the board. Boom. There's no reason to. I have 2 evals left I need to pass. So I'm trying to get 5 of those lucid flexes and then doing just the value breaks to do a video on payouts. But I got stupid the other night. Well, I left a pending order and I popped one of them. So now, and I was passing the 5th. Now I have 4th and 5th that I'm having to pass. But I have half of it already done. I could finish it today. So I could just swap to that single account and scalp some minis and just pass it real fast. But the other one, I'm at consistency. The fundeds, I'm at 500 on them, but I've already got what I need for the first payout. So I only need to do, what is it, 150 a day? 200? Can't remember. But there's 500 in each one now. So I don't need to trade that anymore for the day because that's just risking it for no reason. You're already at payout status, max payout status. You don't need to risk the account. So you just get your minimum daily amount. And then I was fucking around with some Tradeify accounts. I could scalp this one, just this one account on some minis. Yeah, fuck it, why not? Let's swap to NQ real quick. Turn off the copiers. And see if I can't get this account to past right quick. You know what I'm saying? Right quick. Yeah, right quick. Past that account right quick. Boom. Just make sure the copies are off so I don't fuck anything up. That would be shitty. There we go. They're all off. Actually, I'll just close it. That fixes that. And then this looks like a fucking good one right here, honestly. I've never gotten a payout. But you will if you keep doing this. Boom. I like Lucid though, because their payouts they're like, you literally click the button and like, dude, 1 minute. I think it was like 57 seconds one time when he was in my account. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. I think ETF. Yeah, I'm gonna trade this right here. This is on minis. So let's get to what we need. What do I need? 1400. Yeah, 1400. So 100 ticks would be 500. Yeah, 500. This would be, fuck, if this goes all the way down, I'll pass it right here. Let's see how many ticks is that. Oh yeah, that's way over what I need. Don't go up. I need like 1400. So this 500, 1,000, 50, right about 91. There we go. See if this plays out. Hello? What's up, man? I'm trying to get I'm trying to pass this eval. I'm kind of YOLOing it just to see if I can get it past. I've already got all my other accounts done. Pretty much done for the day already. See if this one will work out for me real quick. Well, I don't know. I'm just trading what the fuck everyone's doing. Honestly, it seems to be okay. Come on, drop. 102. Let's go to trading. We'll go to money just to make it cool looking. Oh no, stop going up. Stop it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Go down. Hit the TP. Oh, come on. Don't make me have to fucking recover some losses. Man, why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? Son of a bitch. How's the market doing? Shit. Yeah, I was like fine until I tried to do that. Fucking whipping now. We barely even drop. We're already consolidating. From the open. Like literally barely a drop. Or like how much did we go from the open? 170 points and it's already doing this shit. I might have to do some just like 20-point scalps or 10-point scalps or something. Fuck, man. Now I gotta redo that. And here it comes back down again, see? That's what it's been doing. The whips are so, it's like the pullbacks are so wild. It's just crazy. Oh. See if we can't. We have 5 minutes left on this 30 minutes. So what's your TV? Hmm. There we go. Maybe that's it right there. Let's find out. Gonna have to add in another one on the way down just in case it is it because of that fucking loss. Nope, they're gonna whip it around some more. Yep, that's aggravating. That is unfortunate. Well, that'll probably be it for me. I'm not going to keep doing this. If they won't let it go, they're not going to move it. I'm not going to keep trading it. It does what I want, or I walk away from it, man. That's the way you got to be, dude. No. It's not doing what I want it to do. Yep. I'm done. I will call today. I am not going to go red. I tried 2 little scalps, see if I couldn't finish that eval, and it won't fucking budge. So that's it for me, man. Day is over by 10 o'clock. We were 3 for 3. 3 for 3 on our value breaks. Yep. It was good. Good shit. But yeah, they're already like, we didn't even have that much of a drop. I mean, our movement from the open was only 170 points and we're already in consolidation. So yeah, that just, yeah, no, I'm not. I'm done. I was trade copying everything I had to. So 3 for 3. Fuck that. Done for the day. Try to scalp out a little eval, see if I can get it done. It won't move. It's dojing. So that's it for me for today. We call